Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arifa's English Academy. Friends, there are many things which we are actually not aware of. So today we are going to learn about few silent letter words. So let's have a look how to pronounce these words and what is a silent letter here. Coming to the first one, it's world. Friends, we often say it is world. No guys, it is wrong. So R is a silent letter here. We are going to say world. Next one, it is not island. The silent letter is S here. We are not going to use it in the pronunciation. So it is completely island. So coming to the next one, inland. It is not England. We often find people who are watching the match often say England. England won the match. No guys, it's inland. Coming to the next one, knife. K is a silent letter here. We are just going to pronounce knife. Next one, business. It is not busyness. I is a complete silent letter here. It is not party. It is party. Party. R is a silent letter. And next one, listen. It is not listen. T is a silent letter. Listen. Next one, write. It is not right. W is a silent letter here. It is not guess. We are not going to pronounce U here, so it is guess. Next one, column. There is no use of N here. Column. Butter. R is a silent letter. The words which end with R will sound butter, paper, wrapper. R is a complete silent letter. Next one, kitchen. It is not kitchen. T is a complete silent word. Next one, wrong. There is no use of W here, so it is a silent letter. Wrong. Next one, it is not answer. It is answer. W is a complete silent letter. So these are the few words which have a silent letter in it and we are not going to pronounce it. So stay tuned for the next videos. That's all for now. Thank you everyone.